Hi, Chapter Growth Coordinators. It's Karen, and I just thought I would reach out really quickly with a video and check in with you and see how things were going. I'm also attaching a piece that perhaps you can use within your chapter to really bring forward to them the importance of growth. And although it's not the Chapter Growth Coordinator's sole responsibility to grow the chapter, it is certainly to share the information and to encourage everybody to move forward in their chapter growth. So in this PowerPoint presentation that's attached, there are some really cool stats that when I saw them, I was kind of taken back myself. And that is, one of them is the net growth of 5 members actually doubles the thank you for closed business in the chapter. So wow, that took me back, and I'm sure a lot of people aren't even aware of that. So it's not just a new member, and it's not just one more person around the table. It's a direct double of thank you for closed business in the chapter. So it's really, really important. Part of the growth of the chapter also is within the retention of your existing members. There's a slide in this PowerPoint presentation that really shoots that home, where you come for a visit, you come for a second visit, you go to the membership committee, you do the visitor orientation, you go to MSP. It's a whole lot easier, really, to just keep your members. And by wrapping your arms and showing them some love, it's shown that a 1% increase in the improvement, or the improvement 1% improvement in your retention rate is equal to a 5% increase in profitability per chapter member. So I presented this to my chapter a couple of weeks ago, and I put it in a PowerPoint, and they loved to actually see the stats up on the screen, and they were able to relate on how that importance, oh my God, I can't talk, the importance of it was to them. Everybody's membership interview included points of contribution, and one of them is to bring one visitor per member per month. And so if you see on the member commitment report, perhaps somebody hasn't brought somebody in a long time, give them a gentle nudge and tell them not to prejudge. They don't have to necessarily be applicants. They can be connectors. They could be buyers. The important thing is to bring people, to expose them to BNI. So if you can deliver that message to your chapters, I think you'll have a whole lot of buy-in. I know my chapter actually had a couple of people come back to me later and say, can you share that stat with me again? So at least they were listening. Anyway, I'm attaching it. You'll see the last slide was a picture of our chapter. Obviously, you're not going to put that in for your slide. Slip in a picture of your own chapter because I realized that ours was, I don't know, 6 or 8 or 10 months out of date. So anyway, I hope you're all having a great summer. If there's anything that you can think of that I can help you with, please reach out. I'd love to be of service to you, of course. And I hope to see you at the BNI Golf Tournament later today. Have a great day. Bye.